Dropshipping is a popular business model that has taken the e-commerce world by storm. It's especially great for starting entrepreneurs who are looking to dive into the world of online business without a huge upfront investment. Why? Because you don't need to hold any inventory, which means no need for a warehouse or storage space. Imagine selling products without ever touching them. That's the beauty of dropshipping. You can focus on marketing and customer service. Here's how it works. You sell a product on your website. The customer pays you directly. Then, you order that product from your supplier, who could be located anywhere in the world. The supplier takes care of packaging and shipping, sending it directly to your customer. You never have to handle the product yourself. You make a profit on the difference between the wholesale price and your retail price. It's simple, cost-effective, and scalable. No need for a warehouse, packing boxes, or dealing with shipping logistics. This reduces overhead costs significantly. This makes dropshipping accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit. Dropshipping is booming. More people are shopping online than ever before, creating a massive opportunity for online retailers. It's a global market with huge potential, allowing you to reach customers from all corners of the world. So are you ready to jump in and start your own dropshipping business? The possibilities are endless. First things first, find your niche. This is the foundation of your business journey. What are you passionate about? Your interests can guide you to a niche that you will enjoy working in. What do you know a lot about? Leveraging your knowledge can give you a competitive edge. What does the market need? Research is key. Understanding market demands can help you identify profitable opportunities. Look for products in demand. High demand indicates a potential for good sales. Tools like Google Trends can help. They provide insights into what people are searching for. Look for products with low competition but high search volume. This balance can lead to better chances of success. Think about your target audience. Knowing who you are selling to is crucial. Who are you selling to? Understanding your audience's demographics and behaviors can shape your strategy. What are their needs and interests? Catering to these can make your product more appealing. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success. It sets the direction for your business. Passion plus opportunity equals a winning combination. When you align your passion with market needs, success follows. You need an online store to sell your products. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for reaching a wider audience and increasing your sales potential. Platforms like Shopify make it easy. They offer a range of tools and features that simplify the process of setting up and managing your store. You don't need to be a tech wizard. With intuitive drag-and-drop builders, anyone can create a professional-looking store without any coding knowledge. Choose a clean and professional design. A well-designed store not only looks good but also enhances the user experience, making it easier for customers to find what they need. Make it easy for customers to navigate. A user-friendly interface ensures that visitors can browse your products effortlessly, whether they're on a computer or a mobile device. High-quality product photos are a must. Clear, detailed images help customers get a better sense of your products, increasing their confidence in making a purchase. Write clear and compelling product descriptions. Highlight the benefits and features of your products to persuade potential buyers. Include customer reviews to build trust. Positive reviews from satisfied customers can significantly boost your store's credibility and encourage new customers to buy. A user-friendly and visually appealing store attracts customers. The overall look and feel of your store can make a lasting impression. It builds credibility and drives sales. A well-crafted online store not only attracts customers but also converts visits into sales, ensuring your business thrives. Section 4. Sourcing products and suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers is essential. Look for suppliers who specialize in dropshipping. Platforms like AliExpress and Salehoo can help. Check supplier reviews and ratings. Contact them and ask questions. Order samples to check product quality. Negotiate prices with suppliers to get the best deals. Consider factors like shipping times and customer service. A good supplier relationship is key to a smooth dropshipping operation. Section 5. Marketing and attracting customers. Now get the word out about your store. Use social media marketing, create engaging content, run targeted ads, collaborate with influencers, offer discounts and promotions, build an email list. Content marketing is king. Create valuable content related to your niche. Blogs, videos, and social media posts all help. Driving traffic to your store is essential for making sales. Get creative with your marketing. Section 6. Managing orders and deliveries. Once you start getting orders, process them promptly. Keep your customers informed about their order status. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries quickly and professionally. Handle returns and refunds smoothly. Use order tracking tools to monitor shipments. Keep your inventory levels up to date with your suppliers. Efficient order management and excellent customer service are crucial.